Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Osama Shazad from National Academy of Higher Education. I am the Educational Technology Specialist at NAHI HEC, and in this tutorial we will see how to join a Teams meeting and how to set up or use different controls in a Teams meeting. So because all of our morning webinars or evening webinars, so all of the live lectures and webinars, they happen on Microsoft Teams, and this is the main platform that we will be using. So first thing that you would need to do, so let's go at the demo. So first thing you would need to do is you would have received an email for a webinar. For example, I have received an email for the webinar that is happening at 3:30 p.m. on Friday. And this is the link to join the meeting. So in order to join the webinar, I'm going to click on this link. And when I click on this link, this window will open up. Now you can, if you have Microsoft Teams already installed on your computer, so a web application will also open up just like here. But if you do not have Microsoft Teams installed, then you can click here on download the Windows app, and then click on the setup file that will be downloaded and follow the installation instructions that will take care of it. So so let me just go back again and click here to join meeting. So once I click here, and so now it will ask me which type of audio do I want to use. Do I want to use computer audio? So that means that the mic and speaker that will be used are the ones that are actually a part of your laptop or Windows. So that's what we want to use. So I'll click here, and this will focus on this button. So that means that once I join the meeting, everybody can hear me. But this is not what I want. So I will mute my mic. So I will mute my microphone so that when I join the meeting, nobody can hear me, because it is possible that the webinar is already going on and I may disturb others by the background noise. So I will I will mute the mic, and now I will join the meeting. So now that I've joined the meeting, because nobody else have joined in so far, so it just says that waiting for others to join. But now I will show you that how you can use different controls. For example, if you want to switch on your webcam, you can just click here, and now your webcam is working. So video isn't working, we couldn't use a webcam. Oh, so in my case the webcam is not working because I'm already using my webcam for recording this tutorial. This will not happen with you. So we can focus about we can leave about that. And this one, you can unmute yourself by clicking on this icon or mute again. Now if you want to ask a question during the webinar, instead of unmuting your mic and speaking, the better way would be to raise your hand. So you can hover over this icon and you can click on raise hand. Once you do that, the everybody else will be able to see that you have raised your hand, and when the opportunity arises, the instructor will call your name out and ask you to speak. If you do not have a question anymore, you can click on this button again, and now your hand will be lowered. So this is how you raise hand. Now if you want to contribute by chatting, you click on this icon, show conversation. Once you do that, now you can type a message. You can say hello everyone. Okay. And if you want to send something in your chat, you can attach a file by clicking here and uploading from your computer. This will open a file. You can also send emojis. So I'll just send the laughing emoji. You can also send a GIF and a sticker. And there are other options too for other Microsoft apps that you may want to use. So there's that. You can do this, and you can also change the formatting of your text. For example, I want to say, please uh, For if I want to say assignment is due today and I want to emphasize on today, so I can just highlight today part and I can click on formatting and I can highlight it as bold. Now if I enter, it will be highlighted in bold. So these are different features of the Microsoft Teams that you need to use. Remember, whenever you join the meeting, your mic is mute and your webcam is also off. So, and you can also share screen. If you want to share your screen, you can click on this icon here, share content, and then you can share multiple screens. If you want to share everything that's happening on your laptop, you can click on desktop, screen 1. But if you want to share, for example, just a Microsoft Word file that you have opened, or a word or a ppt that you have opened, so first so you that will show up here. Any file that is being opened on your laptop will actually show up here, and if you want to share just that file, you can click on that file here. So this is how you share screen. For example, if I click here, now my screen is being shared. So I will just stop presenting, and now the screen is unshared. And now once the meeting has adjourned, we can, or concluded, we can just leave it. Or this option may not be available for everyone, or you can so you can just leave the meeting. So that's a quick tutorial on how to use Microsoft Teams. Thank you so much.